We're making a delicious high-protein smoothie with all the flavors of gingerbread cookies. It's a high-protein combination of healthy fats, fiber, and carbs with Greek yogurt, bananas, cashew butter, and your favorite vanilla protein powder. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, you'll need an upright blender, or I'm going to use the smoothie cup that goes on my blender base. And then I'm going to start with half a cup of almond milk, but you could use any milk you like. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the recipe with all the details. I'll add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and you'll want to use plain unsweetened. And then for more protein and flavor, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of your favorite vanilla protein powder. And I really like using this organic protein powder because it's plant-based and made from nuts and seeds, and it's naturally sweetened. And I did include a link in the video description if you'd like to check it out. And for some healthy fats and flavor, I'll add a tablespoon of some cashew butter, but you could use any nut butter that you like. And then to give it that classic gingerbread flavor, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of some molasses and 1/4 teaspoon of some vanilla extract. And then for the classic gingerbread flavor, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, and just a dash of nutmeg. And then to make this extra creamy and delicious, I have a frozen banana that I cut in half before I put it into the freezer, and about 3 ice cubes. And I'll just screw on the lid and then blend this on the base until it's nice and smooth. So after a minute of blending, we have this very gorgeous thick smoothie. Now, if you'd like to be a little on the thinner side, you can go ahead and add just a little more milk to it, but I really like it thick and chunky, and it is ready to enjoy. Oh, that tastes so good. It's creamy and sweet without being overpowering, and it tastes like I took a gingerbread cookie and just blended it up inside because it has all the same seasonings and flavor. But I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients that are going to leave me feeling just as good even after I drink it. Now, if you could use more healthy recipes on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.